Namaste. Myself, JVN Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, subject Animal Diversity. And today we will discuss the next session, the digestive system of the Asterias, digestive system of the starfish. Digestive system of starfish. Okay, this is the digestive system we have prepared. These are the pyloric cici, pyloric stomach, this is the lobes of cardiac stomach, these are the arms, and this is the rectum, and this is the anus. These are the pyloric ducts, and here is present the madreporite, and here you can see this type of structure, intestinal cici. This is the digestive system of the starfish. And first we discuss the alimentary canal. Starfish, a sea star, possess a complete digestive tract. Digestive system is complete, having both mouth and the anus, both side openings. So sea star possess a complete digestive tract situated in the central disc. It lies along the oral-aboral axis and is short, quite short, due to the flattening of the body along that axis. Between the mouth and the anus, it can be differentiated into the esophagus, stomach, intestine. Okay. The first part is the mouth. It is a pentagonal aperture. Present on the oral surface. It shows sphincter muscles and it is capable of great expansion and reduction. ठीक है, इसके ऊपर क्या है, ग्रेट एक्सपेंशन, स्फिंक्टर मसल्स प्रेजेंट्स होती हैं जिसके कारण ये एक्सपेंड भी हो सकता है और रिड्यूस्ड भी हो सकता है. सेकंड, ईसोफेगस. Esophagus, mouth open into the short and wide esophagus and it extend vertically to open into the stomach. तो ये स्टोमक के अंदर ओपन होगी ईसोफेगस. स्टोमक में आपको दिखा था कि दो पार्ट्स हैं स्टोमक, कार्डियक स्टोमक और पाइलोरिक स्टोमक. इट शोज कार्डियक एंड पाइलोरिक पार्ट्स, दो पार्ट्स हैं, कार्डियक और दूसरा पाइलोरिक पार्ट. ईच एंगल ऑफ द स्टोमक इज ड्रॉन इनटू द कोरस्पॉन्डिंग आर्म. दिस इज ब्रांच्ड. स्टोमक के दो पार्ट्स क्लियरली आपको है, कार्डियक पार्ट और द पाइलोरिक पार्ट. Cardiac stomach is large sac having 5 long along with 5 radii. ठीक है, cardiac stomach. The first part of the cardiac stomach is big and 5 long. It can come out through the mouth. This is brought forward by 5 pair of retractor muscles. Its wall is thin, muscular and highly folded. And the entire cardiac stomach can be everted through mouth at the time of feeding. कि जो कार्डियक स्टोमक है उसको पूरे को माउथ के थ्रू हम बाहर निकाल सकती है स्टारफिश एट द टाइम ऑफ द फीडिंग. ठीक है, दिस इज ब्रोट अबाउट बाय द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ बॉडी मसल्स एंड कंसिक्वेंट प्रेशर ऑफ द सिलोमिक फ्लूइड. इवर्सन, ऐसे बाहर निकालती है किसके कारण, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ द बॉडी मसल्स और प्रेशर है जो सिलोमिक फ्लूइड का उसके थ्रू. एंड द रिट्रैक्शन वापस कैसे आएगा, इज ब्रोट अबाउट बाय 5 पेयर ऑफ रिट्रैक्टर मसल्स which connect the cardiac stomach with ambulacral ridge of 5 arms. Cardiac stomach is glandular and secrete the mucus. ठीक है, दूसरा है पाइलोरिक स्टोमक. पाइलोरिक स्टोमक is small and star shaped. Each angle of the stomach is drawn into the corresponding arm. This is branched. These branches are called pyloric sicci or hepatic siccies or gastric gland. They work like the pancreas and they secrete the digestive juice and they store the reserve food material. They store the reserve food materials. इसके बाद intestine. It is short 5-sided tube extended vertically to aboral surface where it open out by the anus. Anus के थ्रू ओपन होगी. It gives out 2 or 3 small branched and brownish appendages, the intestinal siccies. यहाँ पे intestinal siccies at interradial position. Intestinal sicci secrete a brownish fluid, probably excretory in nature. Part of the intestine after sicci is sometimes called the rectum. इसके बाद anus. It is small rounded aperture situated somewhat eccentrically on aboral surface of the central disc. This is all about the alimentary canal. ठीक है, फिर है इसके डाइजेशन, यानी कि आपके लिए पहले फूड. The starfish is a carnivorous animal. It feeds on a number of sedentary marine animals like oyster या crustaceans etc. फिर फीडिंग मैकेनिज्म क्या है इसका? फीडिंग मैकेनिज्म, फीड कैसे करती है? फीडिंग मैकेनिज्म, द सी स्टार ingest and digest food in the fascinating manner. Prey is captured, पकड़ेगी उसको, and held in position by the arms and the 2 feet. It may be interesting to note how a sea star devour clam and other bivalves. It conveniently creep over the clam, arches its body over it, and firmly attach its 2 feet to the 2 shell walls in such a way that ventral margin of the clam comes to lie in front of its mouth. It then tries to pull apart the 2 walls held tightly together by powerful adductor muscles. A few tube feet at the tip of the arms are also attached to the substratum to aid in the process. Pull is steadily maintained till the adductor muscles of the clam are exhausted and give away. Adductor muscles cannot, as a rule, remain in a continuous state of contraction for a long time. When the walls finally gap, cardiac stomach of sea star is everted into the mental cavity of the clam to devour it. ठीक है कि जो ट्यूब फिट्स से जो वाल्स हैं, वाल्स के दोनों साइड अब इस तरह से क्लेम है, ये स्ट्रक्चर होता है, यहाँ पर एनिमल्स होता है, तो इट बाइंड इट्स ट्यूब फिट्स विद बोथ द cells and put the pressure and open the clam and open the both the cells, and then as the cell open it everted out its stomach on the fleshy material, this is the animal, and digest it. And then digestion, digestion is both extra and intracellular. The digestive juice are poured on the soft part of the prey. Digestion is partly completed outside the body. Then starfish withdraw its stomach along with the digested food. Remaining digestion is completed in the stomach and pyloric saci. The digestion is completed in the stomach and pyloric saci. Digested food is absorbed through the wall of the digestive tract into the coelom and supplied to all parts. Most of the undigested food is sent out through mouth. In starfish, very small amount of undigested food will be sent out through anus, hence intestine and rectum are very small. This is all about the digestive system of the starfish. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jayati Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Thank you very much.